guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I slick my hair when I don't feel like letting it down. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Enjoy. So I will start off with just spraying my hair with water. I got this hairspray from Sally's. It is very convenient and very easy to use, especially if you have curly hair and you want to just wet it every time and you don't want to rewash your whole hair. All right, so I'm just gonna make a line in the middle. Sometimes I like to spice things up and just line it to the side. So that's what I'm gonna do today. The next thing I would do is I use this gel, the Pro Styl, and it looks like this. And I just get a little bit on my fingers and I would rub it in. And I will use this type of brush to slick my hair down. I like to wet my brush. Then I will use these hair ties. Then when I'm satisfied with the slickness of my hair, I will use my hair tie to tie it. For my edges, I use my edge brush and I use the same gel. And I'll just add more gel on the parts that I see are frizzy. Then I will use a bobby pin to just pin down the hairs that are popping out in the back. Then I'll go ahead and diffuse this part of my hair. After diffusing it, it looks like this. You could even pick it up like this and use a clipper like this kind and style it this way, or you could even add a ponytail on it. All right, thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.